Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera, co-founder of NBC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast and end of the week review for Friday the 13th. Dun, 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 dun. Friday the 13th. Let's quickly jump to our news items for the day. Today we have some news starting at 8:30 with the core retail sales, and we also have prelim UOM at 10 o'clock in the morning. So keep your eyes open for that. Let's jump to our analysis. We begin with our forecast with our daily chart. As we can see here, market continues to make its way slowly but surely, inching up little by little up to the all-time highs. Once again, one of the key technical factors moving the market up is all the support created by all of these areas here. This trend line to the upside, the 80, the 20, the 50, all of the support areas are giving clear indications of support in case that we have retracements to the upside. And more importantly, today and yesterday, we had the 80-20 crossover to the upside. Remember, the 80-20 crossover, when it happens on the opposite side, we always have movement down. When it has crossing over to the upside, we have a market moving to the upside. Now, remember, we are now officially in the new contract, which is the December, which is a 12.19. But the market is right now not too far from the all-time highs at 30.25.75. As a matter of fact, that used to be an all-time high. So we're expecting a little bit more continuation in that direction. Now, remember, volume is going to look a little lower simply because we have some of the volume on the old contract and some of the volume is on the new contract. Remember, yesterday was market contract rollover. Thursday morning we trade the old contract. In the afternoon we switch to the new contract, and officially Friday going forward, we're all on the new contract. Let's go to our projection chart here. These are the projected price objectives that we're determining the market can come and revisit. And we see close to the all-time high. Our next level here after the all-time high is around, what do we got here? 30, 20, 30, 39, 50, 30, 30, 30, 40, right around that area. Anywhere between 42 and 36. That's our main target, right around there. But first we have to get through, obviously, get to the all-time high and move higher. And in case we want to move lower, obviously we have a few key price levels where the market can retest before moving higher. We can see those just a little bit more clearly here in our analysis chart here. As we can see, we're above the intraday high. We broke the intraday high overnight. We are a little bit below it. We have a trend line, clear trend line here to the upside that we're expecting the market to hold. Remember, these trend lines are not trend lines that we draw subjectively. They're based on a methodology, technical methodology that we use to establish which are the valid pivots in order to determine that. We don't want to be drawing lines just out of whim. We always do it based on market analysis. So we're expecting the market to continue to move higher as long as it remains above this line here. Once it touches this line, we're expecting retests of the intraday first and eventually try to move higher to this previous pivot. If it breaks this line, obviously then we have created a oscillating section of the market here, which is possible. Remember, every time we move out of the consolidations, we tend to make runs, set up a couple of bars of runs to the upside, and then we consolidate, and then we break out. So it may do a little consolidation if it doesn't continue higher today. Either way, we have a plan. Whether it continues higher, whether it breaks lower, we have a plan. So that's the way you should do your trading. Make sure that for every reaction that the market, everything that the market does, you have an equal and opposite reaction. So here we go, guys. Here's the intraday chart. We can see the market broke briefly above the intraday high on this new contract. We're expecting the market to hold among this area here to hold and move a little higher. So stay safe today. We hope you have a great week. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask us. Remember, NBC Trading Academy English course is now available. If you're interested at all, please send for information at info@NBC Trading Academy. Info@NBC Trading Academy will give you all the information about our fantastic course, and we'll give you some testimonials. You can speak to some current clients and past clients, and you can speak to our current traders who are on our trade desk. Anything you need to know about what we do and why we are the best in the business. Thank you. Have a great weekend.